In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install TWRP Recovery on any Android device in the simplest way. For installing TWRP on your Android device, you'll need 4 things. The first is an Android device with more than 40% battery. The second is a TWRP image for the specific model of your Android device. The third is that your Android device should be rooted. And the fourth is the Flashify app. You can download the Flashify app from the Play Store. To install TWRP on your Android device, firstly you have to open the Flashify app. Once you open the Flashify app, click on Flash Recovery Image. Then click on Choose a File. Then open the File Explorer. Then go to the place where you have stored your recovery file. Then click on the recovery file image. Then it will ask you to flash recovery. Click on Yup. Then wait for some time. And once it says flash completed, click on Reboot Now. And it will say recovery booting. Then it will boot into the TeamWin recovery project. Just swipe to allow modifications and you're good to go.